Hello and welcome to another Dragonfrog Games construction guide. This is for our new 28mm small house version 1. There'll be other ones with sort of different styles of walls or where windows are or different types of windows. This is the basic one, and they should all pretty much make the same. Be put together the same because they're using the same template just with a different style. So I'll just get started. Again, I'm using PVA glue as that seems to work quite nicely. So I'm going to take the floor and just glue all the way around the outside here. I find that using an old brush gives me a use for the old brush and puts the PVA glue on quite nicely. So that's that one. A little bit at the bottom here, and I'll do the sides as well. So there we go. I'll put that on there. That one probably might fall down a bit, but once I've got the sides on, it should be held in place nicely. There we go. These are designed to have the same as most of our other models, with the different floors are easily removable, so you could put models inside. The same with the roofs, you could take the roof off and put models inside as well. That's that bit. This one also has removable doors. Now you can glue them in if you want to, or you can just move them around as you need. So it's gone out a little bit. There we go. Now before I do the walls, before I do the windows and doors on that, I'm going to do the next floor, give that a chance to dry. So here I've got the bits for the second floor. And it pretty much goes together in exactly the same way. If you've watched any of my other videos, you'll know that the base, this is up usually, but I tend to turn it over because that will slot on top of the other building much easier. I just make it easy to take them on and off. So just need to glue all the way around the outside of this one. There we go. That'll go on Other side. Oops. There we go. I'll put that to dry to the side as well, and then we shall do a roof. And these bits don't really stick because the roof's at an angle, but a little bit of glue might help to just keep it in place a bit better. There we go. So that bit will slot there, and put the glue on, and that will go on there, and then the roofs will go between them. So I shall get the glue on that. Go. That should just slot on there. And just need to do the sides on this one. Go. That should just slot in there. And that is our roof done. So just put that to the side and quickly do a chimney. So the chimney, we just need to glue a little bit on here. push that through, put a little bit of glue on either side of here. And that just slots on. And to make sure that they're quite in the right place. Possibly not quite dry, but I just put it on top to make sure that they're right. That looks about right. You can of course glue it on at one end or in the middle, wherever you'd like it to be. And that would be the roof. I'm not going to glue it. Well, actually, why not? Oops, that would be why not. Dropping it on the floor. So then you just put a little bit of glue in here. And stick it on the end. I don't put it quite on the end so the other ones will go next to it. There we go. Put that to the side again. Go back to the ground floor. So for the doors, you need one of the doors and one of these, and put glue all along here. In there, and what I intend to do is just push it up to the gap so that the door is straight and the bit at the bottom is flat. That gives you a nice snug fit so the door is not going to fall over. And again for the other door, just put that in and then place it there. I'm going to take them out for just now. Normally I'd leave them in for a bit longer to dry, but I want to get on and do the windows. Yeah, I think I put a bit of glue on the base there. It's just grabbing that. Let's try the sand instead. There we go. Now for the windows, the first thing you want to do is to glue in the window sills, one at the bottom and then one at the top. Like that. You can turn it upside down and then put some glue on this. So these bits at the top and down the side. Then that should just slot between the two windowsills. If it doesn't quite go, you just want to level it up on the other side so that it looks right. There we go. And then for the other window, There we go. Voila. And then if you want the shutters on, just take them and glue them to the side here. I like to have my windows open so the models can shoot out, but if you want the shutters closed, they should just fit in that gap there. Side, if you wanted to glue them in, they would just go in like that, but I'm going to glue them on the sides again so that the windows are open. There we go. So that's the bottom floor done with the doors. And then you can slot the second floor on top. Oops. And then the roof. And multiple of these houses will just go beside each other. You can have a big row. I've not done the upstairs door windows because, well, you saw how to do the windows on the bottom floor. It's just exactly the same. So thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.